Hello my old school soul food family, Chef Jeffrey back with another video. And it is Friday night and y'all been following me enough. If you don't know, you're not one of them old timey old school family members. You're new to the game. But it's Friday night, you know what that means? It's cake night. Homemade cake night. Just to reiterate to you new guys and girls, if you ever walk into my house, I always have a cake on the counter like grandma did, and mama did, and I keep the tradition going. It's very, very few times you come to my house and I don't have a cake on the counter ready to be cut and offered to my friends and neighbors that come over. It's very, very rare that I don't have one. And I make a cake every Friday. I've been doing this for the last 15, 20 years. Very seldom that I don't make a cake on Fridays, unless I'm in the holiday where I'm making other things. I just don't have time. But most of the time, every Friday night, I get off work, first thing I do is make a cake. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they require a little bit more work, but every Friday night I make a cake. So today we going real old school. I'm just making a butter pound cake, no icing on it, just a regular pound cake like grandmother used to have on her counter. I'm going to have a lot of butter, so it's going to be an old school butter pound cake. So let's get started. Before I get started, please share, subscribe, like, comment on the videos. I respond to every comment. I might not respond with a word, but I will give you a thumbs up and a heart. As y'all can see, I respond to everybody that sends me a comment. So I enjoy reading them. So anyway, let's get started. I got a lot of butter here, 4 sticks of butter. It's a butter pound cake, so you gotta have the butter. Traditional way of making a cake, y'all. Like I do every cake, I'm gonna cream the butter and sugar together. About 5 or 6 minutes, get it nice and incorporated. Then I'll add the eggs slowly. Move this over. And what y'all, another thing I want to let y'all know, have your butter and eggs at room temperature. Like when I go to work on Fridays, I'll leave my butter and eggs out. I know I'm gonna make a cake when I get home, so my butter and eggs are always at room temperature. Just a little tip, y'all. Add the sugar to this. Hold on, let me raise this up and add all this sugar to this. Now, I'm gonna cream this like 4 or 5 minutes. I want to get it nice and incorporated and fluffy. So I'm gonna step off here. I ain't gonna just have it going for 3 or 4 minutes, because that's boring for TV. And I'll be right back when this is nice and fluffy. We'll add the rest of the ingredients. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Okay, see how light and fluffy that is? That's what you want. I'll do mine about 4 or 5 minutes on high speed. Okay, now we're going to add the eggs to this. Try to add one at a time if possible. Cakes are so easy, y'all. I don't know why people buy box cakes. I just don't understand it. I can't allow a box cake mix in my house. Maybe I'll do a video one day with some. I said it on my live one day. I'm gonna do a peach crisp, but I think it's a peach cobbler with a cake mix on top. So maybe I'll do that one day. Okay, we're going to scrape this down here. Make sure everything is incorporated. Now we're going to just add the be right back. Okay, now y'all, we're gonna slowly add the flour to this. Very slow with this. See that? Ooh, I got a mess to clean up. So you got flour all on the counter, y'all. That's gonna be fun. We're gonna add the milk. I'm gonna go ahead and add all the vanilla. All right, add some more flour to this. Milk. Some more flour. Y'all know my method. I start with dry and end with dry. I'm making a mess tonight, y'all. You whirl with it, I guess. And add the rest of the flour. Now we're gonna scrape this down. I'm gonna scrape this down one more time here, make sure all the flour that I don't have all on my counter is fully incorporated. Ready? Get all that incorporated. And that's it, y'all. Give me 1 minute. I'm gonna clean this mess up I got. I cannot stand, y'all know me, I can't stand mess. And I'm gonna come back and we're gonna put it in the pan. Give me 1 minute. Okay, y'all, I'm back here. I had to clean up. I just can't stand working in a kitchen. I had flour all over the place. It drives me nuts. I just a pet peeve of mine. So I'm sorry, y'all. Okay. Now we're gonna put this in the tube pan. Be very careful here. Try not to get in the tube itself. Key with these pans here, you don't want to get on the sides. More in here. More in here. Alright, what I like to do, y'all, is smooth around the edge to get it nice and smooth. If you can now. Alright, now I'm going to put it in the oven, 350 degrees, about an hour. You're going to check it after about 50 minutes and check the inside of it with a toothpick. And see if it come out clean, it'll be ready. So we'll be back in about an hour and a half. And we'll see how it is. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. I just took it out the oven. I just took it out the pan. Now you can do it the vert way or you can do it this way. I might put some ice on here, I don't know. I like the rustic look of the pound cake. Like I say, some people flip theirs over. Some people use the top side. I like this side also because all the icing can get in the crevices. So what I might do here, after it cool, I might come back and put a little glaze on top. I'll just make a decision here, in about an hour or so. But anyway, I'll need to let this cool a couple of hours. Just come out the oven, just flip it out the pan. And I'll come back and we'll finish it off here, and we'll taste this buttered pound cake, and we'll see how it tastes. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. Well, I have decided to put a little icing on here, y'all. So we're going to slice this up and see what we have here. Our Friday night cake of the week. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's a pound cake there, y'all. Look at that. That's a pound cake. Let's try this out here. God, I know this is going to be so moist. It's just like butter. It should. It got a lot of butter in it. Awesome. That's old school there, y'all. Old school as it gets. Go to your grandma's house. Got that sitting on the counter. Get you a glass of milk. That's all you need. But anyway, thanks for watching my Friday night cake of the week. Old school butter cake. Butter pound cake, I'm sorry. But follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember that hashtag 2021, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. So until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. See y'all next time. Bye.